have the Skycopter. It says rubber band powered, flies over 100 feet high. So it's a helicopter that works on a rubber band, and I think it's gonna go 100 feet. It's pretty tall. Hey, if it gets 100 feet, can we get a chocolate fountain?
How about if we just celebrate and go, yeah, 100 feet, 100 feet?
How about if we go get an ice cream cone if it makes it to 100 feet?
I like that.
Is that a good idea?
We go over in downtown.
Sure. How do we measure 100 feet? How do we know?
It's really high.
Okay, really high sounds good. All
Perfect.
right. Excellent.
All right, good luck, Ryan.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go. Skycopter. Ready to go. Now, step 2.
I'll read it red. Ready?
Okay.
It says, insert propeller
Color.
blades
Uh-huh.
into plastic holder, see attachment, on bottom of propeller blades, and make sure these snap into holder. Insert propeller assembly onto top of the stick and plastic hook on the bottom. Get that?
No.
All right, so I think this and this, right? This thing. Okay, quick sidetrack. Ryan's gonna see if he can make a jump rope out of the rubber propeller, which is a large rubber band. Ready? Yes.
Alright.
Huh?
Oh, no. This is it.
And go.
It goes, oh my gosh. Okay, it goes way slower than we normally do.
Right. All right. Can that one. All right, 3 loops and then we'll get this thing rolling. Looks like the Skycopter is ready for takeoff. Ryan's feeling the engine. Hmm?
A lot of times.
Where do you suppose we should blast off? Right on the deck? Think we can get 100 feet out of it?
I think we can.
All right.
Alright, here we go.
All right, let me put a few more rolls in there and then we'll launch. Okay, Mission Control, we are T-minus 30 seconds and counting. 30 seconds. We have go for main engine start. We are in internal power. Astronaut Ryan about to blast off the copter. How you feeling? Are you nervous?
You know, I'm kind of nervous. First time launching this baby. I don't know. I'm looking for a pretty successful launcher.
Okay, good luck.
See what happens.
All right, Jill, 5,
Oh,
4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Oh no!
That was not 100 feet.
I know. Alright, bring it out. We'll try it again.
Ryan's gonna try number 2.
Okay, here we go. Try number 2, ready for launch.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Hey, that was better, Ryan.
Better. It's not going up.
Hey, try letting the propeller start and then help it by pushing it up. You know what I'm saying? That was better. When you get to like 3, 5, 4, 3, when you get to 3, start the engine, but hold it, let it get rolling, and then toss it. Exactly. All right, go from 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Oh my God. That almost took out the photographer. All right, here we go. Ryan Ardo has cranked this one up. Very exciting. And 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Straight up and down.
2, 1.
Oh. Chop her down, chop her down. Is it fixable? Oh no. All right, what do we learn?
Don't fly a helicopter into your neighbor's house. It got about 30 feet.
Okay, okay.
It broke,
Oh.
crashed into the house.
Okay. That was the end of that.
Yep.
Was it fun?
Nope.
Oh.
So I don't recommend this at all for my viewers.
Yeah, if this is a toy review, it stinks.
I think it works better when it has wings and
Yeah. Because this looks like it's not
right,
aerodynamic.
right.
Just saying if it's going to twist it.
That looks like a wounded duck when it goes, Ryan.
It does.
Okay, epic fail. All right, so none of all these work out, right?
Okay, so I get 30 feet. That means about a quarter of an spin gun.
How about you can get some ice cream from the freezer? Okay.
Ding. Oh no.
Yeah, so the blade, it crashed into our neighbor's house and the blade broke and yeah,
Okay. All right.
that was horrible.
So do you recommend this for your viewers?
No, not at all.
So you just saved them what?
Save them about $4.
Yeah. Fantastic. See, another benefit of watching your channel.
Yeah.
All right, we're out.
All right.
Stay tuned for the next one, right? Because the next one is going to be even better than that.
I don't think you can get much worse.
All right, so what's the next one? What's the next one you're going to do, you think?
The next video,
Yeah.
it's gonna be a Q&A for 10,000 subscribers.
Fantastic. Here we go. All right. Here we go, Ryan. How do you feel about that?
Well, it was horrible, and it wasn't $4 totally wasted. I mean, I did get the enjoyable fun of totally crushing it. Yeah.
Boom.
So, no $4 totally wasted.